4. Unit 7. Silent letters. KNWR. A. Listen and learn.
This is a knife. What's the beginning sound in knife?
N.
That's right. N. Knife. Can you hear the k sound in knife?
No.
That's right. The K is silent. Knife. This boy can write. What's the beginning sound in write?
R.
That's right. R. Right. Can you hear the w sound in right?
No.
That's right. The W is silent. Right.
Page 64. B. Listen, point, and read. 1.
N. Ife. Knife.
N. Ife. Knife.
2.
N. E. Knee.
N. E. Knee.
3.
R. Ite. Right.
R. Ite. Right.
4.
R. Ong. Wrong.
R. Ong. Wrong.
Page 65. D. Listen and write. Then work out the answer. 1.
I cut fruit with a knife.
2.
This word is wrong.
3.
This is my right knee.
4.
I write my name with a pencil.
Page 65. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Wrong knife me. Wrong knife me. Wrong knife. Wrong knife. Knife me. Knife me. Wrong knife me. Wrong knife me. Me knife wrong. Me knife wrong. It's wrong to play. It's wrong to play. With a knife on your knee. With a knife on your knee. It's wrong to play. With a knife on your knee. It's wrong to play. With a knife on your knee.
Page 66. Silent letters. MB. E. A. Listen and learn.
This is a lamb. What's the ending sound in lamb? That's right. Lamb. Can you hear the B sound in lamb?
No.
That's right. The B is silent. Lamb. This is a glove. What's the ending sound in glove?
V.
That's right. V. Glove. Can you hear the E sound in glove?
No.
That's right. The E is silent. Glove.
Page 66. B. Listen, point, and read. 1,
La, lamb.
La, lamb.
2,
Co, comb.
Co, comb.
3,
Glove, glove.
Glove, glove.
4,
Live, live.
Live, live.
Page 67. C. Listen and circle the silent letter. Then match. 1,
Live, live.
2,
Comb, comb.
3,
Glove, glove.
4,
Lamb, lamb.
Page 67. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Live, lamb, comb, glove. Live, lamb, comb, glove. Live, lamb. Live, lamb. Comb, glove. Comb, glove. Comb, glove. Live, lamb. Comb, glove. Live, lamb. I live with a lamb. I live with a lamb. A comb and a glove. A comb and a glove. I live with a lamb, a comb and a glove. I live with a lamb, a comb and a glove.
Page 68. Silent letters. R-H-S-T. A. Listen and learn.
This is a rhino. What's the beginning sound in rhino?
R,
That's right. R. Rhino. Can you hear the h sound in rhino?
no.
That's right. The H is silent. Rhino. This is a whistle. What's the middle sound in whistle?
S,
That's right. S. Whistle. Can you hear the t sound in whistle?
no.
That's right. The T is silent. Whistle.
Page 68. B. Listen, point, and read. 1,
R. I know. Rhino.
R, I know. Rhino.
2,
R. Rhubarb. Rhubarb.
R, rhubarb. Rhubarb.
3,
S. Whistle.
Wh, s, whistle.
4,
Castle. Castle.
Castle.
Page 69. C. Listen and circle the silent letter. Then match. 1,
Whistle. Whistle.
2,
Rhubarb. Rhubarb.
3,
Rhino. Rhino.
4,
Castle. Castle.
69. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Rhino, castle, rhubarb, whistle. Rhino, castle, rhubarb, whistle. Rhino, castle. Rhino, castle. Rhubarb, whistle. Rhubarb, whistle. Rhubarb, whistle. Rhino, castle. Rhubarb, whistle. Rhino, castle. The rhino in the castle. The rhino in the castle has rhubarb and a whistle. Has rhubarb and a whistle. The rhino in the castle has rhubarb and a whistle. The rhino in the castle has rhubarb and a whistle.
Page 70. Silent letters. K-N, W-R, M-B, E, R-H, S-T. Now try these. Read. 1,
No. No.
2,
Wrap. Wrap.
3,
Thumb. Thumb.
4,
Come. Come.
5,
Listen. Listen.
Were you right?
Page 71. Story. B. Look and listen. Read along. The Comb and the Dragon. 1,
I am Henry. I live in a castle. My father is the king. He can fight dragons with his knife.
2,
I hear the whistle. A dragon is here. The king's men don't like dragons.
3,
I put on my glove. I don't have a knife, but I have a comb. The dragon is on its knees.
4,
I comb the dragon's hair. The dragon is as tame as a lamb. All the king's men are wrong. Dragons are good, not bad.
New words.
Henry. Fight. Dragon. Here. Tame.
Sight words.
Here.